Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Friday, the 4th of October. I'm James Spann. Heat levels today still pretty bad, but not quite as high as yesterday. We're expecting mid-90s today, but this historic heat wave will be winding down late this weekend and early next week. Thank goodness. There's the upper look this morning. Still have the ridge here, but the heights are down a little bit, so heat levels will be down about 5 degrees today. Yesterday, many places were near 100. We're expecting mid-90s today. We're starting off the day in the 70s here, but look north and west of the state. Good to see some 50s on that map. St. Louis 54, Tulsa 58. We are expecting lows in the 50s here by the early and middle part of next week. There's the watch warning map. Freeze warnings in effect for parts of the Great Lakes in the northeast United States. Of course, things are quiet down here. Looks like the better chance of any isolated storms today should be over the southern half of the state. Had a few yesterday. Tuscaloosa got a good downpour about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, but most places were dry. This is tomorrow. Chance of a few scattered showers and storms statewide, and the same thing on Sunday, but no severe weather expected. Rain for the next 7 days. The west is dry, the east increasingly wet. For Alabama, the better rains over the northern half of the state. Rain amounts 1/2 to 1 inch, with lighter amounts down to the south. And the tropics, very quiet now. Little wave near the Yucatan Channel that is not expected to develop. So, model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06E run, valid at 4 o'clock this afternoon. Ridging here, trough back in the northwest. And again, hot, dry for most places, mid-90s. Heat levels down about 5 degrees. And any isolated storms probably over the southern half of the state. Now, tomorrow, a backdoor front moves in from the east. You note that 1029 high near Cape Cod, and that will likely push some showers in here. East Alabama probably in the 80s tomorrow. West Alabama still in the 90s. And the better chance of showers most likely over the eastern half of the state. Now, Sunday, the ridge begins to break down. We'll mention a chance of showers statewide. Highs go back in the 80s. And then Monday, here comes that long-awaited front. Periods of rain. Many spots will stay in the 70s all day. And then Tuesday, the front pushes deep into South Alabama. Should be a dry day for the northern half of the state. We start the day in the 50s, the high in the 70s. Wednesday, moisture begins to return. For now, we're going to leave it dry. The European is a much drier look. And then Thursday, again, that looks dry for the most part. As a new front begins to form north and west of the state. And this is a week from today, Friday the 11th, a pretty deep trough north and west of here. And that's going to push another front in our direction. And that will likely bring another round of rain. We've seen a lot of variations on the timing of this, but toward the end of next week, we could see another chance of some badly needed rain here. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday the 13th. Trough in the west, a light northwest flow aloft here. And again, that looks like maybe some showers for the southeastern part of the state, but clearly looks like we could see some rain out there around the 12th or the 13th of this month. Speaking of rain, this is the ensemble output for Birmingham from the European. The mean going up. That's good. Rain amounts, some of the members are actually over 3 inches, but the mean is about 1.5 inches here for the next 15 days. And I do believe after Saturday, we can say goodbye to the 90s for a while. Probably a long while, just maybe next summer. You can see a lot of 70s and a lot of 50s on out there for the rest of October. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and God bless.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.